What is up, you guys? I am currently in a training, super fired up. Got onto this call, you guys, this morning at 5 a.m. and it's all about marketing, right? It's all about marketing. Where we're at today, you guys, as far as just skill, as far as branding, as far as advertising, marketing, we're obviously all here on social media. You guys are seeing this video on social media. You're putting out video on your social media. Today's training, man, I've been on this coaching call. I got so many notes, notes, and it's just knowledge and inspiration that made me want to just shoot this video for you guys real quick. If you're building a business if you're building a business today in 2023, right, and you're building it on social media, the two things we're really covering on this training, which I paid a ton of money, I invested in myself. That's what I highly encourage you guys to be doing this year as you really learn how to scale your business on social media. Investing in yourself is the biggest thing you could do, and you guys already know that, right? Whether it's personal development, whether it's learning marketing and advertising, whatever it may be, that's what you want to be doing, right? So you want to be focusing in on building your brand, and video content is what we're covering, right? I'm on this call with just huge 7-8 figure businesses, right? Where these guys are just talking about is video. It's simple video shot like this on your cell phone, you guys. That's number one. So as a lot of you guys really go out there and build your brand, you're putting out video content. Number two is, if you're building a local business, you want to be taking, or even a targeted business, right? You're servicing a certain type of person, or maybe you're servicing a certain demographics, or you're servicing a certain location, right? A lot of you guys that are getting this video are realtors. You guys are servicing a location, your local area, right? You're maybe farming a few zip codes. Number two that we're going over here on this coaching, in this conference that I'm on, is paid traffic. You got to learn paid traffic. And this is not something you want to delegate. This is not something you need to hire a marketing company for. If you're a local business owner and it's kind of just you're building your business, you're in the trenches trying to crack the code on social media. It's learning how to run an ad, learning how to run a Facebook ad, learning how to run an Instagram ad, learning how to target on a LinkedIn ad, whatever. Pick your favorite platform. YouTube. On this conference, we're going over the power of YouTube ads, right? So number two, you guys, I cannot encourage you, is learn how to run an ad. Learn how to run a Facebook ad. If Facebook is your platform, if your demographics are on Facebook, let's say, for example, you're a realtor, you're targeting homeowners, you're looking for listings, you're educating people on what it takes to sell. And that's an older demographics that for sure is here on Facebook. So know your avatar, know who you're servicing, and that will kind of lead you to knowing what platform you should be really mastering. Learning how to run an ad on that platform, whether it's YouTube, whether it's a Facebook ad, whether it's an Instagram ad. Learn how to run an ad. That's what we're going over on this training, and we got 7 minutes more to go, and I'm super fired up, you guys. Put out video content, learn how to target your local area with your video content, and you could build a huge business without having to post all the time, right, on all these damn platforms. Learn how to run an ad, target your ideal client, and you'll be capturing more leads than you could possibly imagine. I'll see you guys on the next video. Over now. Gotta get back. Peace.